Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Python series. If you find this video is useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe for the channel. In the previous video, I said that difference between the shell and the script editor. So this entire interface is called Python shell. In the shell, we can only execute line by line code. For example, print hello world program. This is very basic program. It give output as an hello world program. So the shell does not support for multiple lines of code. For example, I am taking user input, enter starting number. So I need to enter the starting number from 1 to 10, which is loop again. So when I give an enter, it directly printing the enter the starting number without still we are not completed our entire program. So it does not support for multiple lines of code. Whatever the data given in these double quotes, it's directly printing. And also it does not support for debugging and also rerun. Here we can't able to rerun the same code again. And also debugging is not possible. I need to add in another piece of code here. Hello world, I am learning Python series. It gives an error if I given. So again I need to run. So debugging and rerun is not possible in the shell, and also we can't able to save the shell file, so that we can't able to run multiple lines of code. It does not support for projects. This all about shell. Let's see about Python script editor. Go to file and click on new file or click on Ctrl plus N. To run script editor, we want to save the file. Give any name. Let's give hello world program. So it runs hello world program. Here I need to comment the line. For comment, I'm using hashtag, and after that I'm taking input from user as shown in the shell, because here we are running multiple lines of code. Enter the number where you need to stop. Because the script editor will support for multiple lines of code. So I need to print 1 to 10 integer numbers, or if your choice. So if you enter n equal to 100, it prints from 1 to 100 integers. I'm giving indentation here. So it's printing from 1 to 10 numbers. Support for multiple lines of code, we can able to save the file as well as we can run the projects here, and also we can debug the code. I need to start from 2 to 10. And also here I only need to print even numbers. Then here rerun also possible, debugging also possible. Now it's only print the even numbers of integers. This is all about the script editor. Let's see what is meant by Python and why we are using. Python is a high-level interpreted programming language that is widely used for its simplicity, readability, and versatile in nature. Then what is meant by high-level programming language? High-level programming language means human can easily understand, and also he can able to read the code and also write the code. For example, a equal to 2 or name equal to Ram. We can able to read the code here. Name equal to Ram and a equal to 2. A means this is an integer value. But what is meant by low level language? Low level language means the assembly languages and machine languages which consist in zeros and ones in binary values. For example, 10101010. We can't able to read what this actual value is. Actually, this value is 170. So it is difficult to understand the low level languages. That's why Python is high level language and easily to understand the humans and also read and write the code. So then what is meant by interpreted programming language? Interpreted programming language means the code will execute line by line. For example, a equal to Ram. This is a string data type. Here I am not specifying within the single quotes or double quotes. If I run this same code in either shell or an interpreter, it throws an error in the first line only. Even the second line also consisting error, but it does not show second line consisting this error. It's showing the first line consisting error. So it will easy to understand where we can find the error, and also it is easy to debug these errors. Then what is meant by simplicity and readability? Simplicity and readability means the Python consisting clean and simple syntax. So it is a beginner friendly language. Example, age equal to 10. Print age. So it gives output as 10. Here we can able to read. So we can also understand. Now user is equal to 10. We are printing the age. So due to clean and simple syntax, it is a beginner friendly language. And also what is meant by versatile? Versatile means very vast. It is used in variety of applications such as web development and also data analysis, artificial intelligence, and also machine learning. and automation for automation Python testing. So we are using in variety of applications like web development for backend purpose and also data analysis and artificial intelligence, machine learning, automations. That's why it is versatile in nature. We can use in variety and vast versions of applications. Then what is meant by dynamically typed language? Dynamically typed language means in Python, for example, I am taking one variable a equal to 10. This is an variable. This is an value. This is an declaration. In variables, in Python variables, where do not require to declaration. The data type will be determined during the runtime. In other languages, compared to other languages, Java and C++, we need to declare variables like integer data type or Boolean data type. In front of variable name, we must and should need to declare. But in Python, we don't need to declare the variable for the data type. So it will be determined during the runtime. That's why it is a dynamically typed language. Dynamically means it will be determined during runtime. For example, I am giving a equal to Ram. It will be determined during runtime as a string data type. Then what is meant by platform independent? Platform independent means the same Python program can run on various platforms. Example, the Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. A equal to 10, B equal to 20. Just I am taking one example. A plus B. Print C. We can reduce this program to 2 lines by using format string, but I'm just taking here example. This entire program can run in the Windows as well as Mac OS and also Linux. We can copy paste this entire program. It will execute as it is in different platforms. That's why it called as a platform independent. Then what is meant by rich libraries and frameworks? Rich libraries means Python consisting millions of library functions and also packages and frameworks. For example, for library function, the NumPy and Pandas. For packages like double underscore init, double underscore methods and models, like frameworks called Django and Flask. Thank you. If you find this video is useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. We will see in the next video.